Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to make a letterhead in Excel. We start with a spreadsheet, and I've actually already pre-populated the spreadsheet with an address I made up here. And I just entered in the information. I saved a little time by doing that ahead of time. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to use the formatting features of Excel to customize the address on the letterhead the way we'd like it to look. So I'm going to zoom back out here, and I'm just going to do a few things here. The first thing we want to do, since all it is a letterhead, we're going to center it. First, we're going to just we only care about one column, column A. So we're going to scroll this out, and you can see if you look at when I'm changing the width of the column, it actually tells you how wide it is. So we know we want to make it on 8.5 by 11 paper, so we'll just scroll this over until it's, I'm going to run out of room here, but that's okay, not to worry. We're going to go over here, and we're going to go until it's 8.5 inches wide, more or less. That's close enough. And then we're going to center it. So we select column A, and we go to the center text format button, and now we have it centered. And then you can do pretty much anything you want to format. You can format the text. Let's find a nice looking format, not too fancy, not too plain. How about this one here? So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to make a letterhead in Excel. Thank you for watching.